Right, my dear friends. See this question. Write a program to read a number, find the first and the last digits of a given number. Now, what is the question here? See, suppose computer asked to enter a number. I entered 1527. Now, what is the first digit? First digit is 7. What is the last digit? Last digit is 7. First digit is 1. This one we have to find. What is the first digit? What is the last digit? We have to find that. Right. See how to find it. I will solve using a table here. Insert a table. Here we need to take a number. We have to find the first digit. We have to find the last digit. What is my number? 1527. Last digit can be find directly. How? Last digit is equal to number mod 10. It gives the last digit 7. So last digit you can find directly, but first digit you have to find using loop. What is the condition here? We have to repeat the process until number greater than or equal to 10. Now 1527, is it greater than or equal to 10 or not? Yes, it is greater than or equal to 10. Then what to do? Find the remainder. Remainder means 7. Last digit. It was stored in FD, first digit. Now remove the last digit. 1527. After removing 7, what happens? Number becomes 152. Now is it greater than or equal to 10 or not? Yes, it is greater than or equal to 10. Now find the remainder. Remainder means last digit. What is the last digit here? 2. Store here. 2. Right. Now come here and remove the last digits. Now number becomes 50. Now find the remainder. What is the remainder here? 5. Right. Now come here. What is the last digit here? Now remove the last digit. What is that? The number becomes 1. Now find the last digit. Then you will get 1. So at final, what is there in FD? First digit 1. You got 1 no? It is the first digit. You got first digit. You got already last digit 7. So it is the way of finding the first digit and last digit. Now I will do the same using C program. Right. Now see this. Right. Open a C software. Right. How many variables I have to create here? To solve this program, I have to create 3 variables. Integer, first variable name is number, second variable name first digit FD, third variable name last digit LD. First of all, what to do? First, you have to read a number. So by using printf and scanf, you can read a number. Enter a number. How to read a number? By using scanf. Scanf %d comma ampersand number. Now I am going to find the last digit. What is the formula to find the last digit? Number mod 10. Remainder equal to number mod 10. You came to know, right? That is the formula to find the last digit. So that formula applied to find the last digit. Last digit equal to number mod 10. Now we have to find the first digit. How to find the first digit? While number not equal to 0. We have to perform the same task. What I did here? I find the last digit and stored in FD. FD equal to how to find the last digit? Again, number mod 10 is the formula. Number mod 10. After finding the last digit, so what I did here? I remove the last digit. What is the formula for that? Number equal to number by 10. Number equal to number by 10 means it remove the last digit. FD equal to number mod 10 means it find the last digit. Right. We have to repeat the same task until number not equal to 0. If the number becomes 0, then what to do? We have to print the first digit and last digit. Now I am going to print first digit equal to percentage d comma. Where is the first digit? In variable fd. Printf. Print the last digit. Last digit equal to percentage d comma. Last digit means ld. Now execute this program. My number is 1, 2, 3, 4. First digit equal to 1. Last digit equal to 4. Got it? First digit 1, last digit 4. Execute this program again. Example 2471. My first digit is 2. Last digit is 1. Got it? 2, 1. So in this way, we have to find the first and the last digits of a given number. It is the output. What is the program here? This is the program. Right. Now note on this. My dear students, note on this.
ఈమెయిల్ పెడితే ఎల్ఈడి బ్యాంకింగ్ అది పైనుంచి రావట వాడు రోజులు ఆపాడు రాత్రి వచ్చింది అక్కడ వస్తుంది మళ్ళీ సోమవారానికి మళ్ళీ అలా ప్రతి నాటికి అయిపోయింది చెప్పా సార్ ప్రాణం చూసింది కదా అని అది కూడా వచ్చింది మెడిసిన్ అదే అదే మనం వాళ్ళు తీసుకుని ఉంటారు కానీ మేము
Right. Now, next program. See this. Write a program to read the two numbers, comma, find product of two numbers. Product means multiplication. Product of two numbers using Russian multiplication table or Ethiopian multiplication table. It is a program. Read out this question. Write a program to read two numbers. Find the multiplication. Product means multiplication of two numbers using Russian multiplication table or Ethiopian multiplication table. Right. Now, what is the meaning of Russian multiplication table? To find the product of two numbers, Russian peoples generate a table. The table is called as Russian multiplication table. Using the table, you have to find the product of two numbers. Now, I will explain what is this using a table. Right. Now, first of all, I am creating a variable number. So here we need to take two numbers. So I am creating a variable A, I am creating a variable B. Here we need to find the result. So result. Result is 0 at initial. My two numbers are 100 and 7. Now 100 and 7 equal to how much? We need to get 700 as the result. Now how to find? See, we need to repeat the action while number greater than or equal to 0. Number greater than 0. Number not equal to 0. Number is not equal to 0, no? Yes. Then we have to repeat the loop. Right. Then what to do? If A is odd number, then we have to add the value of B to result. Is it odd number? No. So we should not add this one to result. Move to the next iteration. Before going to move to next iteration, we have to halve the value. A value should be 50, B value should be double. A becomes 0? No. Now A is odd number? No. If it is odd number, then what to do? We have to add B value to result. So it is not odd number. So move to the next iteration. Before going to move, what we have to do? We have to half the value of A. Now A value becomes 25. B value we have to double. 14 into 2 means 28. Now do, what is this? If it is equal to 0, then we have to stop the loop. It is not equal to 0. If it is odd number, then we have to add B value to R value. It is odd number? Yes. 28 plus 0 equal to how much? 28. Now, next to move to the next iteration. What to do? We have to half the value. Half means 12. we have to double the value. Double means 56. So if it is 0, then we have to stop the loop. If it is odd number, then we have to add this to this. So if it is not odd number, then what to do? We have to half. Half means 6. So we have to double the value. Double means 112. Right. If it is 0, then we have to stop the loop. It is not equal to 0. If it is odd number, then we have to add b to r. If it is not equal to, it is not odd number. Then what to do? We have to move to next iteration. Before going to move to next iteration, we have to half the value. Half means 3. We have to double the value. Double means 224. Now, if it is 0, then we have to stop the loop. It is not equal to 0. If it is odd number, then we have to add this one to this one. Yes, it is odd number, no? Add 224 plus 28. How much? 252, I think. Am I right? 252. Good. Now, next, we have to half the value. Half means 1, 3 by 2, 1. We have to double the value. What is the double? Double value means 448. 448. 448. Then if it is equal to 0, we have to stop the loop. It is not equal to 0. If it is odd number, then we have to add this one and this one. It is odd, no? Yes, 448 plus 252, how much? Exactly 700. Now we have to half the value. Half means 0. We have to double the value. Double means 896, I think. Right. It is equal to 0, no? Then we have to stop the loop. Now what is the result? Tell me. 700. Actually, 100 into 7 equal to how much? 700. Got it? So this is the result you have to find. Right. This is the way of finding the result. Now, I will give one more example. Result equal to 0 at initial. My first number is 10. My second number is 20. 10 into 20 equal to how much? We need to get to 200. Right. What is the logic? If it is equal to 0, then we have to stop the loop. That is first rule. Second rule. If it is odd number, then we have to add b value to result. It is not odd number. Then what to do? Move to the next iteration. Before moving, we have to half the value. Half means 10 by 2, 5. We have to double the value. Double means 20 into 2 equal to 40. Now, if it is equal to 0, then we have to stop the loop. It is not equal to 0. If it is odd number, then add result to b. 40 plus 0 equal to how much? 40. You got 40 as result. Next, you have to half the value. Half means 5 by 2. 5 by 2 is 2, not 2.5. 2. Integer by integer is always integer. Now, we have to double the value. Double means 80. If it is equal to 0, then we have to stop the loop. It is not equal to 0. If it is odd number, then we have to add this and this. It is not odd number. Then what to do? Move to the next iteration. Before going to move, next iteration, half the value means 1. Double the value. 80 into 2 means 160. If it is equal to 0, then we have to stop the loop. It is not equal to 0. If it is odd number, then we have to add this one and this one. Yes, it is odd number. So 160 plus 40 equal to how much? 200. We have to half the value. Half means 1 by 2, 0. 160 into 2, 320. A is equal to 0 now. Then stop the loop and print this value. What is the result here? The result is 200. Got it? Actually, 10 into 20 equal to 200. No. In this way, you have to find the product of two numbers using Russian multiplication table. Now, how to write code for this? What are the variables I have to create here? I have to create 3 variables. One is number, second one is A, second one is B, third one is result. What is the initial value of result? Result is 0. First of all, you need to read 2 numbers. How to read 2 numbers? Printf, enter 2 numbers, scanf, %d, comma ampersand A, comma ampersand B. Now, after reading 2 numbers, what we have to do? We have to find the product by using Russian multiplication table. So, by using this table, here, up to what we have to run this loop? If A becomes 0, then we have to stop. Means, if A not equal to 0, A not equal to 0, then we have to repeat. A becomes 0, the loop will be stopped. Right. Then what to do? We have to test whether it is odd or even. How to test it? If A mod 2 equal to odd means 1. If it is odd, what we have to do? We have to add B to result. So result equal to result plus B. After that, we have to move to next iteration. Before moving to next iteration, what we have to do? We have to halve the value. A equal to A by 2. It is the formula. We have to double the value. B equal to B into 2. To double, we have to multiply with 2. To half, we have to divide with 2. Right. After certain iterations, the loop will be stopped. Then we have to print the result. Now printer result equal to or product equal to percentage D comma result. This is the logic, right? Now execute this one. My number is 10. Second number is 20. Got to 200. Is it okay? 10 and 20 equal to 10 into 20, 200. This is the program for this. Right. Note on this.
నేను చెప్తుంటే వాడు మళ్ళీ దీని గురించి డిలే అవుతుందని చెప్పిన ఉండాలి మీరు చెప్పారు నేను అదే చెప్పి అయితే డిలే అవుతున్నాను
Right. Now I am going to explain the next program. Right. So what is the next program? Write a C program to print all two-digit numbers. All two-digit numbers. Where the second digit is smaller than its first digit by 4. And if the number was divided by digits sum, the quotient is 7. Read out this question. We have to print all the two-digit numbers means 10 to 99. Am I right? What are the two-digit numbers? 10. From starting 10 to 19 up to 99, all the numbers are two-digit numbers. Where the sum of digits is sum of the second digit is smaller than its first digit by 4. If the number was divided by the digits sum, the quotient would be 7. Then we have to print all these numbers as output. Right. Now see here what we have to do. We have to take a variable number. Here we have to find the first digit and second digit. Why? Because we need to find the difference. First digit comma second digit. Here we need to find the difference. We need to find the sum. Right. Now two-digit numbers means 10 to 99. So number equal to 10. Number less than or equal to 99. Number plus plus. First of all, we have to find the first digit and second digit. Suppose there is a number 10, 12. What is the first digit? What is the second digit? Second digit is nothing but last digit, no? It can be found by number mod 10. How to find the first digit? It can be found by number by 10. First digit equal to number by 10. Number by 10 gives first digit. Number mod 10 gives second digit. 12 by 10 equal to 1. It is the first digit. 12 mod 10 equal to 2. It is the last digit. So I find the first digit and second digit. Now I have to find the difference. What is the difference? First digit minus second digit. Right. Now how to find the sum? First digit plus second digit. Now here what to do? Here we need to print the number. What is the rules? The difference should be equal to 4. The difference should be equal to 4. First digit minus second digit. The difference should be equal to 4. And one more rule is there. What is that? If the number was divided by sum of digits, its quotient should be equal to 7. Quotient should be equal to 7. Then we have to print that number. Percentage 5D common. What is the meaning of 5D? 5D means it use 5 spaces width for output. 5 spaces width per output. Now execute this program. Execute. Right. These are the three two-digit numbers. Those follows these two rules. See the difference between these two digits: 6 minus 2, 4. 7 minus 3, 4. 8 minus 4, 4. Now what is the sum of these two digits? 6 plus 2, 8. Number 62 by 8 equal to 7. Right? 7 plus 3, 70. 70 by 10 equal to 7. Here 8 plus 4 equal to 12. 84 by 12 equal to, it is also 7. So the digits difference is 4. The quotient also 7. So it is the output. These three are the digits, numbers. Those satisfy the above rules. What is the program? This is the program. Note on this. Write down this program. Right. Can I go to the next question? See here. What is the fourth program? Rita has a money pouch. The pouch has equal number of 25 paisa coins and 50 paisa coins and 1 rupee coins. The amount is 700 rupees in that pouch. Write a soup program to find how many each are there. How many each is there? So what is the meaning of this one? There is a money pouch. In that total 700 rupees is there. In that equal number of 25 paisa coins, equal number of 50 paisa coins and 1 rupee coins. Now we have to find how many are there. How many 25 paisa coins are there? How many 50 paisa coins are there? How many 1 rupee coins are there? Right? Read out this question and try to understand. Right. See how to solve this program. One thing you have to remember. There are some 25 paisa coins are there. 25 paisa coins. 50 paisa coins. 1 rupee coins total amount. Right. If 25 paisa coins are 1, 50 paisa coins also should be 1. Why? Because there are equal in count. So if it is 1, it is also should be 1. Then it is also should be 1. Now 25 paisa coin and 1 half rupee coin, 1 rupee coin means totally 1 rupee 75 paisa. How much is there in total? 700 rupees is there. So it is not the correct answer. Now increase the count. 2, 2, 2. If 2 half rupee coins, if 2 25 paisa coins, if 2 1 rupee coins, then it becomes 3 rupees 50 paisa. So, but there 700 rupees is there. So it is not answer. In this way, I am moving to 100. 100 half 25 paisa coins, 100 1 rupee coins, 100 half rupee coins. Then it becomes 100 rupees means 100. 100 half rupees means 50 rupees. 125 paisa coins means 20 rupees. It is equal to 175 rupees. But it is also not the correct answer. Then what to do? Then I am moving up to 400. If 25 paisa coins are 400, then rupa coins also 400, half rupee coins also 400. Then 400 into 25 paisa means 100 rupees. 400 into half rupee coins means 200. 400 into 1 rupee coins means 400. It is 400, it is 200, 600, it is 100, 700. So total amount is 700. Now it is the correct answer. In that pouch, 400 1 rupee coins are there, 450 paisa coins are there, 420 paisa coins are there. So you need to do or you need to solve this program using C language. You need to solve this program using C language. Now how to write code for this? Now execute this one. I am taking a variable n. N means number of coins. I have to repeat this loop from 1 coin to 700 coins. Now, like this, for n equal to 1 means one single coin, 1 coin to n less than or equal to 700. There may be a chance to get up to 700 coins. N plus plus. Now, what we have to do? If n number of 1 rupee coins means n into 1 plus n number of half rupee coins means n into 0.5 plus n number of 25 coins means n into 0.25. It should be equal to 700. Then we have to stop the loop means break. We have to stop the loop means break. So this loop will be break when it reach to result. Now come out from the loop and print the result. 25 paisa coins are equal to percentage b comma n. Then print 50 paisa coins equal to percentage b comma n. Then print ration 1 rupee coins equal to percentage d comma n. This is the program, right? Now execute this program. You will get the answer. See, 25 paisa coins are 400, 50 paisa coins also 400, 1 rupee coins also 400. Got it? So it is the output. So this is the logic to solve this problem. The program is so big, but the solution is so small. Note on this. Note on this.
ఏమంటారు నేను కాల్ చేస్తానంటారు ఇక్కడ 5 రోజులకి పక్కన పెట్టండి వాళ్ళు ఏమంటారు మీరేమంటారు ఈ పార్టీ చేసి ఒక మాట్లాడుకున్న చేద్దాం ఇరవై వేలు ఉంటాడా 20,000 ఇస్తాను పట్టేసుకుని బెంగాల్లో 20,000 వైద్యులు పదవిస్తాను ఆ మైకాలు ఇచ్చే చెక్ బ్రహ్మణాలు అడిగా తెలుస్తున్నాను ఈ బ్రహ్మణాలు మాట్లాడతాను సమానాలు కార్యాలు దేవుడు కట్టడం మాట ముందర వెళ్ళాము 5 ఆ 10 మీరు అయిపోయింది ఇప్పుడు అయిపోతుంది ఇప్పుడు మాట్లాడేది అనుకోమని మాడదు ఏంటంటే లేదు కడతాం కట్టారంటే కట్టారు రోజే అక్కడే ఉన్నారు కాడికాడ ఉంటా పని చేస్తున్నారు
Right. Now the next program. Read out this. In a farm, there are some goats and hens. There are 60 eyes and 84 foot in total. Write a program to find the number of goats and ducks in the farm. Read out this question. Now there is a farm. In that farm, there are some goats and hens. We don't know how many goats are there, how many hens are there. But when we count their eyes, the eyes count is 60. When I count their foot, the foot's count is 86. Using these two data, we have to find how many goats are there, how many hens are there. Hens. Now, how to solve this question? See this? Right. Here what we have? We have hens and goats. Hens and goats. Now how to solve it using a table I will explain. I am taking a table. Right. Now I am taking 4 columns. Number of goats and the number of hens. I am taking G for goats, H for hen. Here foots and eyes. I don't know how many goats are there, how many hens are there. But I know one count. The total number of eyes are 60. Means there should be totally 30 goats or 30 hens should be there. Why? Because the eyes count should be matched when both the hens and goats should be 30. Now, if I am thinking that the goat is equal to 1, then hen should be 29. Why? Because the sum of these two should be 30. Then only we will get 60 eggs. 1 goat and 25 hens. Now, how many eyes will be there? 30 into 2 equal to 60. Eyes count is matched. Right. But what about foot? Foot means 1 goat means 4 legs. Plus 29 hens means 29 into 2. 58 hens. 58 legs. Totally how many foots are there? 62. But he said 86 foots are there. So it is not the correct answer. Then what to do? We have to increase the goat count. Then we have to decrease the count, hens count. 2 plus 28, 30. 30 into 2 is equal to 60. Eyes count matched. Then what about foot? 2 goats means 8 legs plus 28 hens means 56 legs. Totally 56 plus 8 equal to 64 legs. But we have 86 legs. So it is also not the correct answer. Now you have to do like this. I am doing 10. If the goats count is 10, the hens count should be 20. Now 10 goats means 10 into 4, 40 legs. 20 hens means 20 into 2, 40 legs. 40 plus 40 equal to 80 legs are there. 10 plus 20, 30. 30 animals means totally 60 eyes will be there. Now it is not equal to 86. So it is also not the correct answer. Then what we have to do? I have to do for up to 13. If it is 13, then it should be 17. It is 13, it should be 17. Right. 13 plus 17 equal to how much? 30. 30 into 2 equal to how much? 60. Eyes count matched. Then what about leg? 13 into 4 equal to how much? 13 into 4 equal to 52 legs. 17 into 4 equal to how much? 34 legs. 34 plus 52 equal to how much? 86 legs. Now is it matched to our requirement? 60 eyes? Yes, 60 eyes. 86 foots. 86 foots. So it is the correct answer. There are 13 goats and 17 hens are there. It is the correct answer, right? So it is the way to find the solution for this. Now I will explain using a table. Right. Now open a C program. I am taking only 2 variables. Foots and hens, eyes, I am not taking. Only 2 variables. I am writing a for loop. At initial, goat should be 1. So G equal to 1. Only 1 goat is there. Then how many hens should be there? Hens equal to 29. 29 hens should be there. Right. Now, totally how many goats may be there? Goats count may be less than or equal to 30. Why? Because only 60 eyes are there. So it should not, goats count should not exceed 30. Now, goat value should be increment 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on increment. What about hens count? Hens count 29, 28, 27. We have to decrement. So hen minus 1. Here we have to find the total number of foots. How to find it? For each goat, there are four legs. For each hen, there are 2 legs. The total should be equal to 86. Then we have to stop the loop. If it reaches to 86, then we have to stop the loop. So how to stop the loop at middle? Use break command. Now finally you got hens count and goats count. Now print at total number of goats equal to percentage d comma g. Print at total number of hens equal to percentage d comma n. So it is the answer for this. Now execute this program. Got it? Total number of goats equal to 13. Total number of hens equal to 17. Got the answer? Yes, we got the answer. So in this way, you have to find the solution for this. Right. This is the program. This is the solution. Right. Write on this. Right. Right. My dear friends, with this I am closing the session, today's session.